This course is for beginners and you don't need any prior knowledge in Photoshop. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we're learning everything graphic design, starting with all you need to know about editing with Adobe Photoshop. In our previous video, we went through many reasons why you should be learning graphic design, and if you're watching this video, then you're on the right track. You'll learn how to change colors in an image. You'll learn how to remove the background of an image. You'll know how to easily mask. You'll learn how to easily enhance images. So what is Photoshop? A program to edit and create images made up of pixels. And you're probably wondering what a pixel is. No, a pixel is not a Google phone. Wink, wink. Simply put, a pixel is a tiny square that makes up digital images on screens. Now, this is a zoomed in image, and you can see all squares and colors. By zooming out, you realize squares of similar, different, and same colors come together to make up the image. Amazing, right? Also, zooming out, you see how millions of pixels form an image. In today's lesson, we'll practice using the Move tool, the Marquee tool, the Magic Eraser tool, the Text tool, the Shape tools, and how to save a document. Let's call our volunteer model for today, Kendra. So the Move tool, this delivers an amazing level of functionality. It's capable of interacting with any object in your document, so you can use it to move around the canvas. The first tool is the Move tool. So with that selected, if we go over to our layers here, and I unlock this layer, I can click and drag around Kendra. Just about any object that's identifiable within the Photoshop interface can be manipulated by the Move tool. This includes text, selections, pasted objects, and even entire layers. The rectangular Marquee tool allows users to make various selections within an image. I'm going to click and drag across Kendra's shirt design. And that just created a moving shirt dashed rectangle. Now that is called the marching ants. Now that we have selected our shirt design, we can hold on Alt on our keyboard while clicking and dragging, and this will replicate the design. Oh, let me just take this time to say thank you to one of our subscribers, Seth Deli 644, for prompting us on Zooming. Our comment section isn't only for beautiful feedbacks and likes. Leave a comment if you have a problem or if your Photoshop version is different. Now to the Magic Eraser tool. So this tool is going to sample colors and kind of figure out where edges are and then delete everything in between. So this brings us back to talking about pixels. Remember that by zooming, you realize squares of similar, different, or same colors come together to make the image. Meaning, since Kendra's background is of the same color, we can take her background off. Now, replacing Kendra's background will lead us to our next tool. This is a bonus tip, by the way. So if you look at the tools in the layers panel, you'll see that little arrow in the bottom right corner. That means there are multiple tools collapsed underneath that tool. So to access those, we just have to click and hold until they pop up. Alright, now we have our shape tools. Your rectangle tool is exactly what it sounds like, to draw shapes. So since we cleared Kendra's background, let's draw her some colorful ones. This rectangle is drawn, but before we recolor, there's another bonus tip. Layers. what is a layer? So a layer is simply one image stacked on top of another. So imagine Kendra having two rectangles stacked in front of her, not knowing what to do. Well, we can help Kendra by rearranging the layers so Kendra comes on top. Think of the game Jenga, but for Kendra and some rectangles. So rearranging layers in the layer panel is pretty simple. You hold and drag your intended layer to be moved. Then you stack the layer anywhere vertically in the layer panel. In this case, moving Kendra from the bottom and making her the top layer. Now that the volunteers layer is on top, let's go ahead and change the colors of the background and add some text to make a simple banner design. To change the colors of any shape, navigate to the right side of your Photoshop where you should see the color panel. Next up, we have the horizontal type tool. So just click on that and type. You can double click to select the word or triple click to select an entire line. This course is for beginners and you don't need any prior knowledge in Photoshop, photography, or design to get it. This is a little bit smaller, so I'm going to go back to my type tool. I'll hit the T on the keyboard and right at the top, I can type in a number I want to increase or decrease to. Before starting, Photoshop will look intimidating to you. But watching this video to the end, you'll realize that this is one of the easiest tutorials you can find. So at this point, you should just go ahead and practice how to use these various tools. How good you get is based on practice and exploration of these tools. There'll be a part 2 of this video and we'll be learning some really cool stuff. So you don't want to miss out on that. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts and concerns are. And if you can, share some cool samples of your trials. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you can be notified of new uploads. See you next time.